Introducing storm doors with the rapid install system, only from Andersen. We've taken all of the durability, low maintenance, and beauty of our top-selling doors and combined them with a pre-assembled, ready, right out of the box design that's the fastest and easiest to install on the market today. There's no cutting, no measuring, and you only need basic tools and skills. Choose from two popular styles, one featuring glass and insect screen panels that swap out easily for seasonal ventilation, and the other with a retractable insect screen that hides out of sight with easy one-hand operation. They're available in 8 colors and with a variety of handle set finishes to complement any home. Add beauty, security, and energy efficiency instantly. Andersen storm doors with the rapid install system. Installation has never been easier.